Hey all, it's Thomas back with another video. This time will be on 3D printing, specifically 3D printing and some of its uses in the United States. Um, Now to start, I will just do a brief overview on what 3D printing actually is and the basics of it. So 3D printing is really used to change the way we produce certain items. Some of those items will be, for example, some tools, toys. 3D printing in the last few years has kind of moved not away from industrial manufacturing, but it's becoming more consumer based as well. Smaller business can acquire 3D printing and use it for their own operations, and also individuals can just have 3D printers as well. An example of this is just for me personally. One of my buddies in Boone recently got a 3D printer in his apartment. That was certainly something I didn't even know was possible until he acquired one about in the past year. But 3D printing is a part of a additive manufacturing process, which is basically just means the way it works is that it will stack material on top of one another to make the final object. And you can use a couple different materials in the 3D printer. It's even being tested for candy in this country as well in the United States. So first thing you have to do when creating an object is going to be making a blueprint for the object through the computer. So you can make your own object, or there's sites where you can take other people's ideas and print their objects that they've created in the software. And after you have that in the software, you'll print it. The machine will get really hot and start stacking these materials onto the little plate, which immediately cools off the item. And then when it finishes stacking up the build, you'll have your product. And to end my video here, I will do 2 truths and a lie on 3D printing. My first statement is that 3D printing can be used to create body parts. Second statement is that the most common material used in 3D printing is plastic. And lastly, 3D printers struggle with printing larger objects. Thank you. Bye.